We're going with our setups and plan for today. First and foremost, we go to GU and you can see the market is bullish. Had our last break from here. Then you had our change of character to the upside. Then you had our continuation to the upside. So you can see here we had our break of structure to the downside, external structure. External structure is 1 hour. Then you had our change of character to the upside. Then you go to 15 minutes for our order flow and internal structure. You can see here we had our break of structure to the upside, but this time around it's internal structure. Then you had a change of character to the downside, internal structure. And the price did come back to this supply zone, this sell order block, and have here our liquidity down here. So our plan is very simple. Scenario number 1, wait for the price to come back here, then continue selling down to equilibrium for the price to balance equilibrium up to here. That's scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2, if the price come here, we're gonna have our change of character to the downside, break of structure to the downside, internal structure. Then we get our supply zone around here, then we sell. That's scenario number 2. Then scenario number 3, if the price come here and breaks here this last swing high, then we just wait for the retest, then a continuation. Those are the 3 scenarios I'm focusing on. And then for Euro USD, you can see we had our change of character to the upside, change of break of structure to the upside, then our break of structure to the upside, external structure, then we have our break of structure, then change of character. Then you had our supply zone here. But I think we got that tag. It was a clean tag. Our sell order block. You can see it. Had a clean tap and a very clean reaction. Then you're gonna wait for the pullback. Then you continue selling. That's scenario number 1. And then scenario number 2, if the price come down here, we're gonna have our break of structure to the downside, then also wait for the pullback. You get confirmation from here, then you continue selling. That's number 2. Then scenario number 3, if the price come here and breaks this last order block, you can see this extreme order block. Then you wait for the retest, then you continue buying. And another scenario number 4, wait for the price to come back here, then we continue selling. So we just have to be patient and wait for the price to come to our entry point of interest, then we take the trade. Patience is one of the most important things in trading. You have to be patient, wait for the price to come to you, then you take the trade with extremely confident and being a little bit and more disciplined. Then for gold, Puggled is very, very simple. Have a pullback, you can see it. Then you have a break, another break of structure to the upside. Then you have our break of structure to the upside, internal structure. Then you have a change of character to the downside. Then you have a break of structure to the upside, change of character to the upside. Then you had our supply zone, which was here, demand zone, sorry. And this demand zone of the block was tapped in, then the price went up. So our plan, you wait for the price to tap here. Scenario number 1, wait for the price to pull back around here, take out this liquidity, and then continue buying. Scenario number 2, wait for the price to come here, break, then wait for the retest, then you continue buying. Then for GJ, you can clearly see here we have our break of structure to the upside. Then if you come here on 30 minutes, we have our untouched breaker block, which is here, still on. Buy order block, buy breaker block. And here we had our first tap, then you had our second tap. Then you can go to 15 minutes. We need to get this break from here before we get that pull and retest. Pull, then retest, then we continue buying. Super simple, don't overcomplicate trading. Then you have UJ. UJ is also pretty simple. We have our last break of structure to the upside. That means the market is moving up external. That's our trend. Then you got 15 minutes for order flow. So our last break of structure to the downside. Then you have our change of character to the upside. Then you can see here we have our break of structure to the upside. Then you have our change of character to the downside. Then you need to see that pull. I need to get that clean supply zone around here. Let's check on 3 minutes so you can find one. If you can't have one, then let's go to 2 minutes. 2 minutes, I think you're gonna have one. No, it's already mitigated. Let's go to 1 minute. 1 minute we can have. Yeah, for 1 minute we have this. Very clean. Let's check also for 10 minutes, I see. 10 minutes, there is nothing like there. $45, 5 we have, but it's a little bit far. Let me check for 2 hours. No. Yeah. Then we had this. What time was it? It was already 8:30. Okay, clean one. Information 1 minute. We had a shift from here. Very well, and we didn't get that continuation. Shift from here, and we didn't get that confirmation. Then let's go to 15 minutes. I think this is our entry. I want to get that clean. Yeah, I think this is the entry. If I can see, you can have an entry here. And then you see if the price is going to be a little bit lower, more aggressive, perhaps. Okay guys, that's it. Let's see if we can get trades today. It's a Friday. We don't have news, clean price action, but we need to be patient on these markets and these setups because they are not yet on our point of interest. So you need to be patient, disciplined, and when you get trade, have to apply a proper risk management.